welcome to my channel. For those who don't know me, I'm Liliana from Sugarella Sweets. Today I'm going to show you how to recreate these super cute unicorn cupcakes. Hope you enjoyed the video and thanks for watching. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up, and if you want more videos like this, simply subscribe to my channel for free.
Roll out 2 pieces of yellow fondant the same length, and you want one end to be thinner than the other. Then twist both pieces together so that they become one. Cut the end and insert a toothpick and let it dry for at least 24 hours. Cut out 2 pieces of white fondant using your medium-sized leaf cutter. And depending on when you need these cupcakes, you can also mix your fondant with a little bit of Tylose or simply use gum paste. I found my pieces a little bit too long, so I cut them to size. And then I rolled out yellow fondant and I used the same cutter, but this time the smallest one. And I'm going to glue yellow fondant right in the middle of each ears using a little bit of water. Fold the ends, insert a toothpick, and let it dry for at least 24 hours. Using edible metallics, you're going to paint the inside of the ears and also the horns. All the material that I'm using in this video will be in my description box. To give a two-tone effect to my cupcakes, I'm going to mix in white buttercream and pink buttercream in my piping bag, just like so. And I'm simply going to fill it up, alternating my colors. And I'm going to pipe one by one of my cupcakes using my 2D piping tip. And this is how I create my simple unicorn cupcake. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up, and if you want more videos like this, simply subscribe to my channel for free by clicking on my picture. Hope you enjoyed, and see you again.